Right, choppers, welcome. Hope everyone is having a fantastic Monday. Hope everyone is well and you are having a fantastic Monday. All right, let's mark the register. Who is there today? Let me know where you are watching me from. Please let me know where you are watching me from. If it's the first time, also let me know if it's your first time and let me know where you are watching me from. We are going to start shortly. The market is about to open in a few minutes time, and at exactly 1:15 we are going to be analyzing this markets. Minister of US30, Mr. Pierre, lost 2 trades, and according to my rules, we're not supposed to trade. We will wait for tomorrow. Just want to enjoy the benefit of following the rules. It's crazy because I also see beautiful setups, but no, yeah, discipline, my friend. It's wise to be disciplined in that regard. Minister, it's wise to do so. Tabiso Lover Boy is in the house. We also have Bobojan Siabonga. I think it's Siabonga. Good to see you, my friend. What are we doing today? Are we bullish or are we bearish on euro dollar? WTI already up by 2% just before the open. Beautiful to see, man. There's a place where I want to catch some sells on this one. A quick scalp on this one. At around say $68.41. This is where maybe I want to take advantage of some selling pressure there. In the morning with my team, we were analyzing this. As you remember, during the live stream last week Friday, I said to you guys that since NFP was pop, we wouldn't have much going on even after that, and you should clearly see there was nothing going on. So I said at $67.50 we can be looking for selling pressure coming in there. As you see, we dropped all the way back to $66.79, and in the morning, just because we are above this, I said to them, look, wait for this to correct a bit and let's go to the upside. Can we go back to $70 a barrel? It's possible, but I don't think it's something that can happen today. So I'm just marking this POC here at $68.41. This is where I want to see if maybe I can take advantage of this market there. Right, I want to see if I can sell at 68.40, 68.50. This is where maybe I can take some selling opportunities there. Euro dollar. Now, euro dollar is quite tricky. It's moving sideways for my liking. I don't see anything going on at the moment. Currently trading at $1.576. We are just well above our POC. how can we handle this? Just want to check something on British pound so that I can have an idea of what this thing is all about. POC at $1.27.39. We broke above this key level here. It's a tricky one. Let me see how we handle this level here if we do go to that level, because we are trading just between $1.28 and $1.27, right? So from there, I just want to see how we hold these two price points there. Gold, on the other hand, I like what I see on gold. Gold is up by it's up by 1%, 1.2%. I like what I see on gold. Obviously, you know the drill. We're gonna wait for this reload at 2,660 or 2,650. This is where we'll wanna reload on gold. During NFP, gold didn't do much. This is what we had on gold during NFP. But I like what I see, already up by 1%. So really didn't do much. So just want to show you something there. So look at what happened during NFP. So we had our nice we're ranging between $2,654 an ounce and $2,621 an ounce, and during NFP this is what happened. This rejection here came during NFP. We are finally getting a break above 2,600. So I like what I see now. So as you see, I'm just reviewing what happened during NFP on Friday. Let's look at euro dollar during NFP. What happened? Okay, so we had this consolidation happening just before NFP, and we put our fixed range in between, and as you see, our POC was trading at $1.05, right? $1.574, and we were just above it. And then look at what happened just during NFP there. This is what happened during NFP. Beautiful setup. And I said to you, don't buy at $1.05.94 or 90, right? The reason why I said there's a lot of retail traders that will want to take advantage of that, right? And look at what happened. Just played inside, went inside the box, played well inside the box. This was a good way to look for buying opportunities at that point. Please, if you just joined this stream, please like and subscribe. Please do me a favor by liking and subscribing. Road to 4,000 shoppers. We can do it. So this level here, it was still intact, right? Like I said, this level here was good for buying opportunities. Scalp to $1.568. Now, whenever you see this, just know that this is a trap. In most cases, right? For me, when I see this, I know that this is a trap. Rather look for opportunities to the upside. A 25 pip move to the upside there, one could have caught. Now we are still playing well within. I think I might be looking for buying opportunities on euro dollar. We're gonna have a look at the heat map just shortly there. It's so difficult the way in which I trade for like the strategy that we use as the choppers funded. It's so tricky because we don't like trading a ranging market, right? You are ranging even here just before NFP. Very tricky situation, but I like what I see. Like I said on gold, I like what I see. We come back to $2,650 an ounce. We're looking for buying opportunities there. NASDAQ. Now I've been telling you that at 21,500, I'm definitely looking for selling opportunities. There's that beautiful sell off there on NASDAQ. This was my analysis in the morning with the team. So in the morning when we had our 7 a.m. club, I was telling them that look, on especially 1 hour, we were having a nice divergence there. We're having a nice divergence there. On RSI, we were going down, but we were going up in terms of price. And I was saying anything around 21,500, look to sell NASDAQ. I hope choppers, I hope you capitalize of this movement. It was beautiful setup as we analyzed it in the morning. So I said to them, look to see if you can take some selling opportunities there on NASDAQ. Let's see how it played out. Beautiful setup. You could have caught this here. A lot of you always ask me, Mr. President, how do you normally catch these things when you're looking at the high of the day, right? I normally wait for a rejection candle, right? So at this point, this is what I normally do. So I just wait for it and I wait for a rejection candle at around this point, right? Just went let me start. So it's up to you whether you are going to take that rejection candle or you are going to be a little bit patient to say I want another rejection candle to form, then I'm taking it from there, right? This for me, this is a beautiful setup, right? You've got a rejection candlestick. I normally like drawing it to you guys like this, and we drop, right? Expecting a drop, right? At that particular point, you can easily put your risk reward at 1:2, right? Because with me, I was saying in the morning that, look, let's wait to hit 21,500 and then start to see if maybe we can have a nice drop from there, right? You can easily look to take this. In and out, this is what I like. But you know, this type of setups are very risky because you wouldn't know where you need to catch the high of the day, because you are trading at all-time highs, right? So with me, I normally measure with price. That's why I said I will wait for 21,500 on NASDAQ for me to start looking for selling opportunities there. But as you can see, beautiful setup to the downside. However, right now, where are we currently trading and what are we gonna be doing, right? For the fact that we are just well below our key significant area at this level here, I'll want to see how the market opens. Just in the next 4 minutes, the market will open and I'll want to see how it will react from there. US30, we're looking for selling opportunities. If you could recall, on Friday, we said we need to break retest 44,733. This is where we're going to take a selling opportunities on US30. How is it looking now? Let's see, maybe if we can come at that point and reload again at that exact price, 44,732. This is where we can be taking advantage of these markets. Right, let's see, who do we have today here. Tabiso Lava Boy is in the house, Siyabonga is in the house, Fiso Lucky Manana, good day Mr. President, the entire Choppers family watching from Tembisa, good to see you my friend. Mapulo is watching us from Lesotho. Where in Lesotho, Mapulo, good to see you. Watching from Mpumalanga, 1022 Dumisani, good to see you again my friend. Silo, afternoon Choppers and President watching from Nelspruit. Also good to see you, my good sir. Pleasure FX is watching from Bush Bagrish, Mpumalanga. Seems like Mpumalanga is dominating today. Tabans Kosane, greetings, Mr. Press. Choppers watching from Davidton, Binoni. Mr. Mbezi, Mr. President, I'm here by Mid Limpopo. Good to see you, Mr. Mbezi. Always good to see you, my good sir. Siyabonga, your state is looking good. We're gonna have a look at it now. Susan Matos, afternoon, the President, watching from is it Bochum? I don't know how to pronounce this. Good to see you, Mama there. Kinosi is watching from Bretz. Good to see you, Kinosi. Where in Bretz? Bretz is quite big. It's small, but it's quite big. For those of you who don't know, I'm originally from Bretz as well. Small town with different locations. Where Kinosi from Bretz. I used to have a Kinosi that I attended high school with. I don't know if you are the one. Let's have a look at the heat map. The market is opening now in the next 2 minutes. How are we going to take advantage of it? JSM is watching from Kenya. Good to see you, my friend. Euro is weak. US dollar is weak. AUD strong. Followed by New Zealand dollar also strong. British pound, I would say it's neutral for the day. Swiss franc weak. Japanese as usual weak. Hong Kong dollar weak. Singapore dollar weak. I would say neutral. Chinese yuan also a bit neutral there. So we are consolidating on the euro dollar. We haven't figured out what we're gonna do with this thing. As far as this thing is concerned, I don't know what you make of this price. I'm just marking $1.574 just to see what will happen there, because my POC is just well below that level. POC trading at $1.563. I don't know if maybe we can say we come back to this level. Maybe then we can say we can look to go to the upside. It's also a possibility, but yeah, let the market open and we'll see. We've got Jan Tsepo also watching from Mpumalanga. Yeah, today we've got a lot of people from Mpumalanga. I think it's a sign. It's a sign that we need to visit Mpumalanga very soon. It's a sign. WTI, it was up by close to 1%. So during the live stream, so today I'm gonna just do most of what we did, just for those who didn't attend on Friday, to be clued up with what we're doing. Please, choppers, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Please do me that favor. I just run a poll there. 68% of you are saying you are trading today, 32% of you are saying you are not trading. But either way, as long as you are hanging around, that's what matters, right? That's what matters. So on Friday I was saying let's look to be taking some selling opportunities at this level here, $67.53. This is where I was saying maybe we can look for selling opportunities there. Again, you wait for that rejection candle to form before you can commit, right? I normally wait for it to form before I can commit on this one. All right, so unfortunately there was no a nice rejection candle for me to take this thing. However, it went all the way to our direction. Beautiful setup. One could say, Mr. President, maybe you could have taken it at this indecision candlestick there. It's also a possibility. It's also a possibility that we could have taken it around this point here. Yeah, there's also a possibility that we could have taken it around this rejection candle there, and just wait and see maybe if we have 1:2. Also depending, choppers, on your risk reward strategy, right? How do you mitigate your risk as a trader, and how do you run it for your business, right? So beautiful setup. We could have capitalized on this. So I'm just showing you like the trades that I didn't take this trade, by the way, guys. Full disclaimer on that, I didn't take this trade, but these are the type of trades that I like. Within 2 hours, I know that I've already hit my tip. You know, if I'm taking intraday setups, I want to be there for 2 hours and I'm out, right? Beautiful setup. Today, how can we attack this WTI? Like I said in the morning, I was telling the team to come at around $67.39 to look for buying opportunities there. But yeah, during the live stream, let's see if maybe we can have some reaction there, then we can take it to the downside. Okay, choppers, market just opened now. I would want to see how NASDAQ is reacting after the open. Okay, so I just want to see if maybe we can break above this 21,600 or not. Let's see. Euro dollar on the other hand, not giving us much. Like I said, we will see if maybe we can have some reaction there at $1.05 and see if maybe we can take this thing to the upside, right? British pound USD. We've got a key significant area at $1.27.48 and $1.27.40. This is also where we have some nice setups there. On gold, gold is bullish, and I think I like it the way it is. Like I said, let's see if we can drop back to $2,654 an ounce, and then we can look for buying opportunities from there. I don't know, choppers, let me know in the comment section, what are you trading today? Just let me know there on the comment section. Can we have some engagements going on today? Let me know there on the comment section, what are you looking at today? Spot Forex is saying USD Swiss sell. Spot Forex is selling USD Swiss. Good to see you, my friend. JSMFX, he said, I wish I were to see where I can interact and share the chats. You can always join our team, my good friend. For those of you that wants to join me and my team, the people that I trade with on daily basis, you can always use the link down below. This is a link from our sponsor. As you know that this stream is probably sponsored by Okta, so you can just use my link down below there. Sign up, fund your account, let me know that you're funded, and join the team. That's where you can express yourself and send setups and interact with other like-minded traders, you know. Okay, Tavish was asking me about AUD USD. As I said, Tavish, in the morning, if you attended the morning, don't sell there, right? I was saying to you guys, I wouldn't be surprised if this thing would come at this point. Why? A lot of retail traders, they like this type of setups, right? Where they think this is a nice retest, right? I said to you, don't sell here. It's a sucker trade. You are going to get trapped, right? Let's see what happened. As easy as that, right? The reason why is that retail traders are always believing that this market will form a new low just after a retest, that they will form a new low there, and it usually doesn't work like that. You know, sometimes it does, but not all the time, so you just need to be careful there. Kels Visuals is also watching us from Bumalanga. Yeah, Bumalanga today, man, is coming with fire. It's coming with fire. Akonhook. AUD USD is up by 1%. Also good to see that at least there is some strength there coming from AUD USD. So I will want to look at the heat map, right? Maybe we could look at possible buys for AUD USD. It's up by 1% against the euro, up by 1% against the USD, also up by 0.88% against British pound, up by 0.36% against NZD. Canadian at 0.82%, Swiss franc up by 0.6% as well. Yeah, for Japanese is also up. Hong Kong dollar almost up. So yeah, maybe I should look for buying opportunities on AUD USD. Where can I possibly catch it? Let's see if we can catch this at 64 cents 45, right? Let's see if we can catch this thing here. I think that's number one on my list. WTI will have to follow. WTI, I want to sell it at $68.43. Kinosi Ramahoko is saying it's from Brett's Letabile. That's exactly where I'm from. I'm actually from Brett's Letabile, Block B. I'm from Block B. I don't know if you know me, man. I'm sure one of the years with. I'm actually from Brett's Letabile. So you were in class of 2004? No, by that time I was not. I was in town. I was in Raboni Christian School. I was attending in Raboni Christian School. But maybe we know one another. Maybe let me know if you have seen me before there. It's been a long time since I've been home, man. I've been so busy. Spot Forex is responding to JSMFX. I think Spot Forex is on a sell on USD Swiss. Anonymous US30 is asking us if we can look at NAS 100. So Anonymous, if you are in our class, in our private group funded, you would know that at this point we look for selling opportunities on NASDAQ. Beautiful setup there on that rejection candle. Caught some nice sells there to the downside. We are trying to see how we are holding 21,600 at this level, right? So I think we are going to range between 21,600 and 21,400, right? This is where I'm expecting NASDAQ to range today. But if we break above, retest 21,600, I think we can go all the way to 21,700 before the end of the day. So I'm just monitoring it, because even on 5 minutes, you're not going anywhere, my friend. This is pure consolidation, right? This is pure consolidation. So let's see how we react at this point. At this hour, I'm looking at AUD USD for a buy. I'm also looking for a sell on WTI at $68.45. Busiso is watching from Waterfall Midrange. Gold is looking good. Yeah, indeed, beautiful setups there we have on gold. I want to see if I can buy at a discount at $2,650 an ounce. This is where I want to see if I can take advantage of this gold, right? So I think I need to mark two price points, $2,654 an ounce, as well as $2,664. Actually, at some point I had 2,660 a while ago. I don't know if you guys could remember. 2,660 is also something I was looking at a while ago. We haven't looked at Bitcoin. We are almost going back to that 100,000 mark. I did warn you guys when I was doing an interview with ENCA. You can always recall what I said on that interview, that people just need to be careful. Just because we're anticipating 100,000 mark, once we hit the 100,000 mark, what's going to happen? You're going to see a dump, right? So in few minutes, right, look at what happened there. Just want to show you something with Bitcoin, right? Actually want to have a big screen on this, right? The minute we reached 100,000, like, look at what happened. Look at this dump here, all the way back to 92,000, right? From 102,000 to 92,000 in a short space of time. I was anticipating that without a doubt, right? Because FOMO, a lot of people want to come in when they see that. Now currently trading at 99,943, right? We are going to hit 100,000 in few minutes, right? We are going to hit 100,000 in few minutes. 100,000 is definitely something that we could be expecting in the next few minutes. Okay. We actually wanted to catch this at this price, so I put an alert at 93,470, but we are not yet there. Let's monitor it and we'll take it from there, choppers. Don't forget that AUD USD is what is number one on my watch list. It's also a good way for looking for buying opportunities there. I don't want to lie, it's tempting, more especially with this rejection candle. I mean, remember, choppers, the way in which I trade currency pairs and the way in which I trade crypto indices and stocks is different, right? But AUD USD, I put it under the portfolio of stocks and indices, right? Because it has at times it moves the same as NASDAQ, right? It's also a good point to buy, but I think it's too easy to see, it's too easy to spot. I think safe trade for me would have to be at this point, the 64 cents. 64.46, I think, for me, because that will be at my POC. I don't really like this here. Okay, but if you're taking it at this point, I don't know where you're gonna put your stop loss, but if I take it at that point there, my stop loss can always be there, right? So this is how I'm going to do it. Let me see if I can include my ATR. ATR is around 6 pips, right? So ATR times 2. This is how I normally put my stop loss, right? ATR times 2 would have to be 12. Now this will be my risk. So my stop loss will have to be 12 points, 12 pips there. TP 1:2, 24-25 pips to the upside. As to someone that will be taking it here, I mean, if you're taking it here where it is now, your stop loss will be compromised. If you take it too early, your stop loss will be compromised. So I prefer this level more than this level, because if I enter it here and it goes against me, where I could have taken it at the POC level, this is where my stop loss is going to be hit. So rather be safe than sorry. Seems like Mr. Mbezi is trading gold there. As you know, we are bullish Mr. Mbezi on gold today. Alzino, good to see you, my friend. I don't know, but NASDAQ is tempting for selling opportunities. Yeah, it's just I like the way in which it collected others on the downside and on the upside. I don't know, but this might, maybe we can reload again since we caught at 21,600. Can we catch again at this was 21,666? Can we catch again at this level here? This rejection here also compromises our TP, our stop loss. 1:2 there. I don't know, man. What's your take on this NASDAQ? I would really want to know your opinion on this NASDAQ. If we close with the rejection there, what's your take on NASDAQ, choppers? GameX SA not trading today. I missed a trade in the morning. It went to TP. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It happens. Kinosi saying, okay, cool. Where can I attend your classes? I'm new in trading. You can always WhatsApp our office there or give us a call and you will be assisted. GameX SA is saying, I see a buy on NASDAQ 221,636, then sell after retest. I don't know, man, but as long as I'm playing below 21,600, I'm seeing sells. I beg to differ there, my good friend. I can only look for buying opportunities if I'm trading above 21,600. As long as I'm below 21,600, definitely looking for selling opportunities on a NAS 100. Choppers, if you just join us, please don't forget to like the stream. Do me a favor by liking the stream, and if you are new here, welcome. We really appreciate you. This peak formation actually formed from 23rd or so of November, where we had our 1 2 3 touches there for our fib. This becomes our one fib from high, from low to high. So this is setups as choppers we like, beautiful setups we like. So whenever we see something like this, we are seeing that the peak formation, is it forming? We have our 1 there, 2 there, take fib from the low to, depending on how the high is going to print. Let's get the high first so that we can place our fib. What usually happens is that the retail traders, they will want to sell off at that point, because why? They are seeing this downward trend there. We are actually looking for buying opportunities at this point. Now a high is confirmed for us. We take our fib from this low, we put it at the high, and our strike zone is going to be at this point, which is going to be our 3. There we take our trade from that rejection there to the upside. Lights out. So for those of you that are always asking me, what is this Fibonacci we like using as choppers? There it is there. It's as easy as that. We don't want to complicate things. We just you know, trade basic. You know, you realize when you lose a lot that, you know, you don't have to complicate things when it comes to trading. Just keep it simple. Just keep it simple. That AUD is moving, but still I'm not convinced of this price here. 64.54 is not a price I'm convinced of. 64.46, this is what I'm convinced of there. Choppers, like I said, if you want to join us every morning, you want to join our team, you can always use our link down below. There's an Okta link there. Just sign up. You know, like I always say, sometimes we run promotions. Even if you don't have the money now, just sign up, put in your credentials there. Sign up, man. Sign up. Maybe you might have access to the group. Tomorrow, everyone that is on the public group, you'll be able to do the morning analysis with me. You will have a free pass tomorrow just for you to see what we do as a funded group, right? So the link is just down below there for Okta. Sign up. If you have an account with Okta already, just hit me up on WhatsApp and I'll tell you what to do. There's no fee that we charge for you to join that group. It's absolutely free. You just have to sign up with the our sponsor broker, and that's it. You're on the Choppers Funded. Kinosi, I guess you can also do the same, my friend. Just NAS already moving to the downside, but still we are trading in between 21,620 and 21,556. I'm not convinced of anything, but I am bearish on this one. WTI up by 0.25%. I like what I see so far. This is where I'm potentially going to look for selling opportunities at this POC $68.48. Can we go to $70 today? I doubt. By the way, this is a risky trade for me to take, but I'm gonna take it anyway. No risk, no reward, right? Right, if I find a rejection candle nicely there, I'm going to take a sell shot on this WTI. At this point, let me know if you're going to be joining me on this trade. I'm just waiting for that rejection on WTI. Then I'm going to take a sell short position there on WTI. Gold still going to the upside. I've got 2 price points there that I'm looking at. I want to buy at 2,665 or 2,654. One of the two. I'm all in for a buy. So yeah, I've got gold for bullish momentum. I've got NAS to sell. I've got WTI to sell. AUD/USD to buy as well. That WTI seems like it has passed that level that we had there. We want a rejection. Can it go up by 3%? Well, there's also a possibility, right? I don't know, choppers, but I'm tempted to take this NASDAQ, eh? I don't want to lie. I'm tempted to take this NASDAQ. I'm just bothered by this whole consolidation we have here. As long as we are below 21,500, definitely looking for selling opportunities on NASDAQ. Definitely looking for selling opportunities. Can I ask you a favor? For a favor, Chopper, please, can you just take a screenshot of the live stream and tag me on Instagram, right? For those of you that needs funding, I just want to popularize our stream. Like I said, there's a lot of companies that are looking for traders. If you go and do research about how many hedge funds and money managers in South Africa, they are looking for traders. Traders are scarce, man. I'm talking about professional traders. Are scarce, and you could be watching and you are a good trader. Let's try to see. So just tag me on Instagram. My all my links are down below there on the description. Take a screenshot and just tag me on Instagram, and I'll repost as well. Send me your post or your story, then I'll also repost it. Look at that sell on NASDAQ there. WTI up by 2.7%. Sure. We are not having that rejection coming in there. Look at that NASDAQ go, man. Look. Beautiful. Hence I was saying there's no way I can be looking for buying opportunities as long as I'm below 21,600. There was no way. Beautiful setup there on NASDAQ. Look at that NASDAQ go down by 0.30 percent. GameX, that's what I was saying. There's no way I can be buying NASDAQ at that point. For me, it was too clear that it's bearish. Right, so we're bearish on NAS 100, bullish on Euro dollar, bullish on British Pound USD. Wanted to see if we can have some sell short positions on WTI, AUD, USD. Also wanted to be bullish there, but it's quite slow. It's not moving much. Wanted to see if we can buy at 64.42. Not at 64.52. That's too risky for my liking there. So let's see. Quite slow. Currency is quite slow. But NASDAQ, beautiful, man. Beautiful. Didn't catch it. I hope you guys caught it. Bitcoin down by 2.6, 2.7, 2.8%. Quite weak. Google is currently trading at $176 a share there. Mr. Ndu, we are bearish on US30. We've been bearish from Friday. We are bearish there. You can always reload when you break retest 44,500. You can reload from there to the downside. If you just join us, please don't forget to like the stream. Like the stream for your brother there. Inicto, good to see you, my friend. Trump considering pulling out of the US, from NATO. That would be a good thing, my friend. In my opinion, NATO is just a whole. It has a whole lot of confusion. That is just in my opinion. I think Trump is just trying to send a message of independence, you know. He's independent. He's saying I'm independent. Right, choppers, I'm gonna have to leave it there today. Let's meet again on Wednesday. Remember, those that wants to join me in the morning, you can always use my link down below there. Sign up with Okta and just drop me a text on WhatsApp 0763506942, and then I'm gonna add you on our group, and we can always work together. So thank you so much for tuning in. Yeah, let's engage on the group and let's see if we can take this trades further throughout the session. I really appreciate you guys. I'll see you on the other side. Wednesday it is.